Hi everyone, it's Dally here. Well, we were talking about the Pink Christmas album, which we're doing at Volcanic Hills, but now we're actually doing some card kits. It's been ages since we bought you some card kits, so we thought we'd bring some with Pink Christmas. This is a set of 10 cards, and they come in a folio. So what we've done here is we've actually made these lovely little folios for you. So it means that you can actually store all your cards, all your tags, and you could even gift these. So I'm just going to go through each of the cards. We're still assembling some of these, as you can see. So we've got one where we've actually got the waterfall. So you can see we've got one. So this is the waterfall card, which we'll be making. And that will sit in its little folio. We've also got this lovely little squirrel one, which we're still completing. So I just wanted to show you that one. We've got this really lovely Greetings Christmas scene. Again, really, really nice. Let me move this up slightly so you can see. Really nice. Again, I haven't assembled these ones yet, but I just wanted to share because we've only got limited stock of the kits that are going to be available. So then we've got this really nice for you, thank you at Christmas. So you can just see how lovely they are. So that's 4. And then the final one on this set is this Christmas one, which I absolutely love. And you can just see we've then got season greetings inside. So it's really, really nice. And this sort of tucks in under the little postage just on the corner. All the kits will come with all the embellishments. They will come with all of the envelopes as well. So the kit's going to consist, like I said, of 10 cards. So you'll get 10 envelopes, really nice envelopes. So you could decorate these or you could just leave them as they are. The little folio just closes up. It's all done for you. All you need to do is just assemble them. Okay, and we'll be doing a video on that of how to assemble them. So you can just see this is a really lovely folio. Okay, so that's one set. The second set, again from the Pink Christmas. Again, you've got this really lovely folio here where you've got the pockets again. So you can just see. And again, we're just going to show you the really beautiful cards that you'll be able to make with this. So we've done 5 cards. This is the 6th card. So you can see how lovely that is. Let's move those up a little bit. So we've got them in the picture. Then we've got this really lovely one here with lots of detail again in die cuts. So you can just see how lovely they all are. Then we've got this one where we've got the tag here that you can actually pull out. We've got the tag up here. So really nice if you want to write some messages or you want to do a little bit different. So quite whimsical cards really. And then we've got this really nice one here again. So each set has 5 cards. And again, a wish from the heart for a wonderful Christmas. So we've got the 2 portfolios, which all close up. Just going to put this one at the front, which is how it was designed, but you can use it as a card. So we've got the 2 portfolios there, which you can see. We've got the matching envelopes with these as well. I'm just going to put those in the shot. There we go, beautiful ribbons. Then, as a bonus as well, so a little bit extra, with all those gifts and all those cards that you give, we're going to be doing these beautiful tags. So we've got the really lovely tag here to go with the collection. So that's one tag. We've got a second tag just here. Just move that across a little bit. So we've got the 3rd tag, got a 4th tag. We've got lots of tags for you. Now, when I say these are tags, they're actually, they can open out. So they could be actually little cards or messages as well. I've just called them tags. And then you get 2 of the Father Christmas, Happy Christmas ones, and you get 2 of the reindeer. So you get 10 cards, 2 portfolios, 10 envelopes, all the embellishments. You get 4, 5, gosh, keeps going, 6, 7, and 8 tags. So really, in total, you're getting like 18 cards. But these are the 6x6 portfolios or folios, and then the 5.5 by 5.5 cards. And then you get all the envelopes. So you get all these goodies. And so you can see there's a lot there. So they're absolutely gorgeous to work with. We've got some really rich ribbons in there, lots of bows, lots of gems. Move that up for you again. I keep taking it out of camera shot. We've just changed it a little bit. And we will be doing a quick video tutorial to show you how to put all of this together. So once the kits have gone out, I will be working on a video and we'll get these all ready for you. And please note they are limited stock. If anybody who's coming to Volcanic Hills, we're doing the album. So if you want a whole kit, then you're welcome to do that. And this is all the cards. So enjoy. Bye for now.